make sure you download the Carnival Hub app that will keep you up to date with everything going on around the ship throughout the cruise. From entertainment to dining options, and you can check out your Pixels pictures as well as book yourself a short excursions for the rest of the family in all our ports of call. Welcome aboard.
Okay, good afternoon. How are you today?
Good.
Okay, welcome on board. My name is Jonah. I'm one of the sales therapists on board. So yeah, I will just show you a very quick life jacket demonstration. Okay. So when you hear a general emergency alarm, so this is the area that you will be gathered. Please go straight on this area. Okay. And please check your cabin if you have one life jacket. Each person should have one life jacket inside the cabin. Okay. And check if the lights and the whistle is working. If not, ask for replacement from your cabin steward, okay? So first, put your life jacket in your head and wrap the strap around your back and buckle, then adjust. So during the emergency, you can use the lights and the whistle for help or attraction to ask for help, okay? And I said if it's not working, ask your cabin steward for replacement of your life jacket. Any question? Okay, thank you so much and enjoy your tour and your cruise.
Thank you.
Thank you.